Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and add text to a PDF file in Acrobat Reader. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded or installed, what you can do is go to the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, and open up the product section from where you can find Adobe Acrobat and get started with downloading it. So once you've downloaded and installed it, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by once you open up the program. And here we have the recommended tools for you section. That is great if you're a beginner because it immediately gives you all the tools you can use. And here we have the edit a PDF option that's going to enable us to modify or add text. So once you click on it, as you can see, you're going to need to have the Acrobat Pro subscription to be able to edit your PDFs, either that or the free trial, because you cannot edit your PDFs with the free version of the program. But once you've gotten your Pro version, now we can get started following the steps right here on the official Help Adobe page, where we have an article on changing, replacing, or deleting text. That's going to enable you to add new text to your PDF. So what I suggest for you to do, go to Adobe Acrobat Help, find this article, and now you can follow it step by step on how to get started modifying and adding new text to your PDF file using the edit option right here that you can use once you get a Pro subscription. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.